Let's draw the Opila Chick from Garten of Banban. First we're going to draw a circle for the eye. Then draw another eye. Try to keep it the same size as the first circle. Then we're going to draw a circle inside, and it goes almost to the edges of the outside circle, so it's a really big pupil. And draw a pupil on this eye. Now we'll draw the beak and draw a shape that comes around to about the middle here. Draw it again on this side. Then draw a narrow triangle going down. Then underneath we're going to draw a little shape here, a little shape here. Then right about here we're going to start the head. It's kind of shaped like a light bulb. Stops there. Then we're going to draw in the middle here, we're going to draw a little hair that goes out like this. And then to the side, we're going to draw the same shape. Then on this side, we're going to draw the same shape. Then down here, we're going to draw the little wing that tucks around, goes into the head. Come to this side and draw a wing that comes around, then comes up and curves into the head. Down here, we're going to draw the bottom of the body. Kind of looks like the bottom of an egg. And then we're going to draw a skinny leg here with a little rectangle shape for the toe, another rectangle shape, and a third rectangle shape coming out this way. And come to this side, we're going to draw a skinny leg, little toe, another one, and a final rectangle shape. And that is how you draw the Opila Chick from Garten of Banban. Be sure to check out the other Garten of Banban drawing tutorials on the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.